Hello and welcome to my walkthrough of 5665 Park Crest Drive. I'm Theresa Wellman, the listing agent, and I'm going to walk you through the property today so you get a feel for all the great amenities and features and details. So as you can see, beautiful curb appeal and a nice porch, well cared for neighbors. I love this brick porch and great flowers, and this window here is a view right into the kitchen, so when you're washing dishes you can actually take a look at the neighborhood. Let's walk in to the living room. So upon entry you're welcomed and greeted by a grand window out to the front yard, and as you can see, beautiful sconces, a lot of high-end features like crown molding, beautifully painted, as well as down below we have gorgeous hardwood that was just refinished 2 years ago. It's in really great shape. So here again, there's the front door and the living room, and it opens up all the way to the kitchen, the dining area, and the family room. So this living space is really nice and open. And then back here is the hallway to the bedrooms. So let me turn to the right again, and you can see the front living room. And then some nice storage here on the end of the kitchen. So let's walk over into the kitchen. Beautiful stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, nice wood cabinets, all recently redone. A big huge hood over the stove and a lot of storage. And again, that's that front window out to the porch. Now just outside the dining room, just outside the kitchen is the dining room. Here you see the lovely dining room with the light fixture hanging down. There's a built-in nook here that was used for storing wine and hanging wine glasses, or you can convert it to a nice little entertainment area, a little desk for your computer, maybe even cookbook storage. Now here's the family room. You see above the picture there are recessed or in-wall speakers. There are also 2 up here for your rear speakers for full surround sound, fully built in, and there's mounting cords behind that picture above the fireplace. And this room has beautiful stone floors. Also nice sconces that match the front living room, and extra windows on the side for light. And looking out to the backyard, we'll walk out there in a little bit, a beautiful stamped concrete patio with an overhang that you can add shade fabric to protect you from the warm summer evenings. This is facing west, so it will be a gorgeous place to have barbecues in the summer, nice and warm and bright in the backyard. There is a nice shed, as you see with this sign. We'll go take a look at that in a little bit. One thing I don't want you to miss right off of this area here. This door goes straight to the garage. We'll take a look. But there is also an indoor laundry room with a sink. Very rare for this area and neighborhood, so a really nice high-end feature. You also notice it's pretty bright. There is a regular light as well as a sun tunnel here. So 5 sun tunnels throughout the property provide extra light into the house. Now let's take a look in the garage. Let me maybe turn on some lights. So the garage is got drywall, a lot of places for storage and hanging, a built-in workbench currently. All really good shape. On top of this house, you will see there is a nice insulated, shiny layer underneath the roof. And it is a presidential roof that has a full inspection. It's in great shape, and it has 30 to 40 years left according to the roof inspector. So don't have to worry about that. There's a great shelf up here above for extra storage as well. And this nook back here with the water heater and more area for storage. That side door will take you out to the side yard where you could store trash cans or access the side yard if you plan to go out for exercise. So let's go back in and take a look at the bedrooms. Okay, going down the hall here, the first door on the left is the guest or hall bathroom. It's a full bath with shower over tub. It has a nice stone tile with a glass inlay. And a window to the backyard. There is also a storage cabinet here for linens above the toilet. And again, very nice vanity with lots of drawers, tile floor, and nice lighting. Now the doorway to the right, almost directly across from this, is the first bedroom. This bedroom has a really nice bright window. This window actually faces north, but you get some great light in it. Mirrored closet doors. Again, beautiful hardwood throughout the entire property. Of note in this bedroom is it actually has an extra large closet. It's really deep. I don't know if you can get a sense of that from here, but it's probably almost twice as deep as a standard walk-in closet or reach-in closet. Okay, the next room down the hallway to the right is the second bedroom. This one is set up today as an office. It is one of the smaller bedrooms, or the smallest bedroom. It does have overhead lighting and crown molding like the other bedrooms. This one, the closet is set up currently for shelves and does not have a closet door. But all the closets, as you see, are cedar lined as well. And again, beautiful crown molding throughout. Then at the end of this hallway, there's actually two doors. To the left is the master with the sliding door access to the backyard. And to the right is bedroom number 3. So this has a twin bed in it. It has opening doors for the closet, crown molding again, a nice light fixture. You have views of that shed in the backyard, the beautiful hardwood. And let's take a look at this closet here. This one has split hanging, so you can get a lot of hanging space. It also has cabinets and room for shoe storage or something else at the bottom. Cedar lines. Now let's take a look at that master bedroom. The master bedroom is really spectacular because it has a gorgeous ceiling with a nice lighting above this trim right here. Also has a ceiling fan. And then of course this large sliding glass door to the backyard. Beautiful hardwood, very spacious bedroom for a property that is about a little over 1,500 square feet. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,530 square feet. There is a walk-in closet here in the master. Multiple hanging. There's shelves and shoe racks and more shelves here around the corner. And then into the master bathroom. There's a vanity with a beautiful marble top, travertine stone floor. And if you look up, that is a Toto toilet with a beautiful travertine shower with built-in niches for shampoo and conditioners and a shelf. Travertine on the ground as well as the walls. Gorgeous shower with a window and an overhead vent. Now let's go take a quick look at the backyard. We'll do one more walk through the property on our way out to the backyard. One door I didn't open is this door here to the right, just next to the hall bathroom. This is where your furnace is located. It does have central heat, central air conditioning, as well as a whole house fan, which is really valuable here in the Bay Area. With our cooler evenings, you can really quickly take down the temperature with the whole house fan. And this here's the controller for that. You set the time and let it run. Okay, out to the backyard. This backyard is very mature, well cared for, and a great space. You have a huge area here. You can add a large table that could easily sit 8 for entertaining in the outdoors in the warmer months. And here's the side yard with the door access to the garage right there. Even a nice cover. And here we have a Japanese maple tree, a lovely raised planter with a very high fence. You have great privacy here because the lots above are at a different level. So it feels like you're in your own sunken privacy. Here is a lovely orange tree with nice blossoms. And then here's the shed. There's 2 sides of 2 access points to the shed. This rounded door here nearest us is actually a great garden shed. Great place to keep any garden tools or fertilizers. And then we'll take a look at this other area. It kind of has a workbench and a lot of shelves and storage as well. So here's just this little mini workbench. And then we've got tons of shelves that's holding your extra touch-up paint, as well as shelves all the way around. One other great feature of the shed area here is you see the roof extends all the way over. So you have a protected area to keep bikes or any outdoor supplies. There's the lawnmower, a lot of different storage options. There's even hooks there. You could hang your bikes up above. And here's the condenser for the air conditioning and your other side yard. Nice, very well maintained and clean. And you get a view of the roof briefly. I'll see if I can get another view of that. But as you can see, a really nice, well cared for property, outstanding quality. As you see here, it does have copper pipes, including the street or the line to the street. The main water line is also copper, which is not always typical in this area. So a really nice upgrade and feature. If you take a look at the roof, it's in a really good shape. So if you have any further questions or would like a personal tour or like to see anything in further detail, please do reach out to me. I'm the listing agent, Theresa Wellman at Coldwell Banker. You may reach me at 408-839-4196. Again, Theresa Wellman with homeownerexperience.com, 408-839-4196. And this lovely home is 5665 Parkcrest Drive in San Jose, the area of Cambrian, a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, just over 1,500 square feet. Thanks for watching my walkthrough tour.